IRCTC to restore service charges on e-tickets from September 1st. E-tickets bought through the IRCTC will levy a service charge of 15 per ticket for non-AC classes and 30 for AC classes. India to get Swiss banking details of Indians from September 1st. Banking details of Indians with accounts in Switzerland will be available to tax authorities. The information will include accounts that were closed during 2018. Over 19 lakh excluded from Assam's final NRC. Those excluded will have an opportunity to be back on the list if they appeal and establish citizenship, say officials. Hurricane Dorian becomes a Category 4 storm powering toward Florida. Though Dorian is growing in intensity, some of the more reliable computer models predicted a late turn northward that would have Dorian hug the coast, the National Hurricane Center said. The Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Shri Vilas Paswan launches National Lab Directory. The Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Shri Vilas Paswan today launched the National Lab Directory, which is a one-stop shop for all testing needs of the industries, academia, researchers and other stakeholders who need to get their testing facilities accredited/certified/recognized. Filter-based kits developed for TB diagnosis, drug resistance testing. The 3 cost-effective kits is set to improve the sensitivity of smear microscopy and transport of sputum samples. Government looks to junk plastic water bottles. Union Minister for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution has issued directions to his departments to come up with alternatives to plastic water bottles. India lift SAFF U-15 title with a 7-0 win over Nepal. The victory also meant that India are now the most successful team in the tournament's history, winning the title for a record 3rd time after previous wins in 2013 and 2017, both of which came in Nepal. Government accepts State Bank of India MD Anshula Kant's resignation. The government has accepted the resignation of State Bank of India. Kant was appointed as the Managing Director and Chief Financial Officer of the World Bank. Thank you for watching. Download all weekly, monthly, and yearly current affairs PDFs curated by Exam Bazaar experts to boost your preparation.